Ma'am, it's a zero.
Circle.
Circle.
Zero. Yes. Very good. Zero. It's a zero. Okay. Do you want to get zero in your marks?
No, ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Anyone who
No,
wants
ma'am.
zero in their mark sheet?
No, ma'am.
Sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me tell you the story of zero. Okay. Uh, So once upon a time, there was a mathematician. Okay? Do you know mathematician?
No, ma'am.
Who knows all the formulas and all the things about maths. Okay? Who teaches us maths. Okay? Who gives us theories for maths. So he called a meeting. One day he called a meeting of numbers. These are numbers. You know?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
what are these?
Numbers.
These are numbers. Okay, so he called a meeting for numbers and zero was missing. Zero was not there. Have you seen zero? Do you see zero in these numbers?
No, ma'am.
So do you know where is zero?
No, ma'am.
So he called zero. Zero. Where is zero? The mathematician asked from the numbers. Where is zero? Why he didn't came? And he didn't come. And all the numbers said that we don't know about zero. Do you know about zero? Where is zero?
No, ma'am. मैम आपके हाथ में
Yes, here is. So he asked, why zero is not here? Call him and find him. The numbers started searching for zero. उन्होंने क्या किया? ढूंढना शुरू कर दिया. कहाँ है zero? आवाज लगाओ. Zero. लगाओ सब जोर से आवाज.
Zero. Zero.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero.
Zero.
कहाँ हो आप zero?
कहाँ हो आप zero?
तो zero कहाँ है? दिखा?
पेड़ के पीछे.
बिहाइंड द ट्री. पेड़ के पीछे. और जीरो क्या लग रहा है आपको? हैप्पी लग रहा है क्या?
नहीं.
सैड है. है ना? तो सब नंबर्स ने मिलके किसको ढूंढ लिया? जीरो को. He was behind the tree. He was hiding and he was very sad. The numbers tell the mathematician that we found zero and he is so sad. The mathematician asked, Zero, why were you not here? तुम यहाँ क्यों नहीं थे मीटिंग में? तो जीरो क्या हुआ? जीरो क्राई करने लग गया. जीरो क्या करने लग गया?
रोने लगा.
Cry करने लगा, रोने लगा. क्यों रो रहा था जीरो? He asked, mathematician asked, why are you crying? क्यों रो रहे हो? तो जीरो ने बताया that no one values me, no one need me and no one respects me. जैसे अभी आप लोगों ने बोला ना कि हमें जीरो नहीं चाहिए अपनी मार्कशीट में. नहीं चाहिए ना आप लोगों को जीरो. तो जीरो तो किसी को भी नहीं चाहिए, है ना? तो जीरो क्या फील कर रहा था? बहुत सैड फील कर रहा था, है ना? कि किसी को जरूरत नहीं है. फिर क्या हुआ? मैथमेटिशियन ने सोचा और सोच के फिर वो हंसने लग गए. फिर उन्होंने कहा किसको? वन को. He called number one. Number one, come and stand left side of the zero. नंबर वन आए और जीरो के लेफ्ट साइड में खड़े हो गए. तो ऑल द नंबर्स लाउडली सेड. नंबर बताओ. 10. It's a number 10. It's a number 10. बोलो.
It's a number 10.
It's a number 10. तो ये क्या बन गया? नंबर 10. And the mathematician asked another zero to come and sit on the right side of the zero. All the numbers shouted 100. It's 100. It's 100. Then another zero came become the hero.
Hero.
Zero become the hero. Zero become the hero. Zero become